Can we do it then?
Artificial intelligence is changing the way we work, the way we analyze information, and the way we make decisions. But here's a question many people never ask. Where does AI get its information from? In many real-world operations, that information begins with drones. Every flight captures aerial images, videos, maps, and valuable observations from locations that are difficult to monitor from the ground. By themselves, these visuals are useful. But when they are processed using AI-powered software, they can help organize information, compare site conditions over time, identify visible changes, and support faster analysis. In agriculture, this information can support crop monitoring. For infrastructure projects, it can help teams observe construction progress. And for inspections, captured visuals can support documentation and reporting workflows. AI performs the analysis, but drones provide the information that makes those insights possible. Organizations such as Garuda Aerospace deploy drone systems that support aerial data collection across different operational environments. Because in today's technology ecosystem, drones don't replace human decisions. They help people make better informed ones.